How to become a certified swimming coach. A step-by-step guide. Becoming a certified swimming coach is a fulfilling journey that enables you to share your passion for swimming while helping athletes of all ages improve their skills and achieve their goals. Here's a detailed step-by-step guide on how to become a certified swimming coach. Step 1. Understand the requirements. Before diving into certification, it's crucial to familiarize yourself with the requirements set by various organizations. Typically, becoming a certified coach involves swim experience. Having a background in competitive swimming is often preferred, as it provides insight into techniques and training regimens. Age requirement. Most certification programs require you to be at least 18 years old. CPR and first aid certification. Many organizations require current certification in CPR and first aid, ensuring you can handle emergencies in the water. Step 2. Choose a certification program. Research the different certification programs available to you. Various organizations offer reputable coaching certifications, each with its own curriculum and certification levels. Some of the well-known organizations include American Swimming Coaches Association, ASCA, offers multiple levels of coaching certification in the U.S. Swimming Australia provides comprehensive coaching programs for various skill levels. British Swimming offers coaching qualifications that align with UK standards. Choosing a program that aligns with your coaching goals and offers ongoing education opportunities is important for your professional development. Step 3. Complete the required training. Once you've selected a certification program, enroll and complete the necessary training modules. This training will typically cover a wide range of topics, including swimming technique, understanding proper stroke mechanics for all swim strokes, training principles, learning how to create training plans, manage workout sessions, and implement effective training strategies. Coaching skills. Developing essential coaching skills such as communication, motivation, and feedback techniques. Safety and risk management. Familiarizing yourself with safety protocols and emergency response procedures. Engaging in practical sessions, simulations, and interactive training can significantly enhance your learning experience. Step 4. Pass the certification exam. After completing the training, you will need to pass a certification exam. This exam usually consists of both a written component and a practical assessment. The written portion tests your knowledge of swimming techniques, training methodologies, and safety protocols, while the practical assessment evaluates your coaching skills in a real or simulated environment. Preparing thoroughly for both parts is key to achieving certification. Step 5. Gain practical experience. Once you are certified, it's essential to gain practical coaching experience. Start by volunteering or working with local swim clubs, schools, or community centers. This hands-on experience is invaluable for applying what you've learned in a real-world setting. Here are some ways to gain experience. Volunteer coaching. Offer your time to local swim teams or community pools. Assistant coaching. Work under an experienced coach to learn their methods and gain insights. Internships. Some organizations may offer internships that provide structured coaching experience and mentorship. Step 6. Continue your education. The swimming coaching landscape is continually evolving, so ongoing education is crucial. Attend workshops, seminars, and conferences to stay updated on the latest coaching techniques, swim science, and safety protocols. Many certification organizations require coaches to complete continuing education units, CEUs, to maintain their certification, so staying engaged in professional development is essential. Step 7. Develop your coaching philosophy. As you gain experience, it's important to develop a personal coaching philosophy that reflects your values and coaching style. Think about how you want to inspire your swimmers, the goals you want to achieve, and how to create a supportive and inclusive environment. A well-defined coaching philosophy will guide your decisions and interactions with your athletes. Step 8. Network with other coaches. Building a network of fellow coaches can provide valuable support and resources throughout your coaching career. Join coaching associations, attend conferences, and participate in online forums to connect with other coaches. Networking can lead to mentorship opportunities, job openings, and the sharing of best practices, which can enhance your development as a coach. What do you think about our video? Let me know in the comment section below. Before you go, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.